Hey, what's up, Digibyte coin holder? This time, my friends, the Digibyte price will totally increasing, and 100% my prediction is going to be right now, because in my previous video I told you, my friend, to this coin will give you a 10% profit. The 10%, my friends, profit now, but definitely this time you can see here plus 7.15% they will give you a profit, and I hope, my friends, so just in only 2 to 4 hours they will easily hit now 10 USD dollar, my friend. So this is possible, my friends, Digibyte holder. To upcoming time, Digibyte price will more increase, but if you are starting investing, please don't starting investing, hold it. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time, just in all the they will give you a profit now, so be lost, my friend. And I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time, this is not our old rules now. My friends, Digibyte one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and I already predicate, but today I think also we will need, my friends, to predicate this going to be safe everything now. And my friends, my prediction is very simple now, as absolutely, my friend, everyone is like now. So this time, my friends, Digibyte price will increasing now. You what you need, my friends, to be safe are just in all the hold now. So my friends, Digibyte one of the fastest cryptocurrency. This is 100% claim, my friends, to upcoming time. The direction is going to be right now. I hope they will recover it and they will give you a profit. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, and see you next time.